While visiting this remote island, which sits just northwest of Australia, Ralph Kiefner was able to capture a truly amazing event on video. The invasion of the Christmas crabs. Once a year, between October and December, more than 150 million crabs travel 3 miles to the island's beach, where the females lay eggs and the males fertilize them. But their Christmas crawl takes them through the city streets, stores, and schools, leaving little room for the human inhabitants.
Yeah, during the migration, the crabs are just everywhere. You cannot even walk without stepping on them, or you cannot even drive a car without rolling over them and killing them accidentally.
Experts estimate that motorists kill approximately 2 million red crabs a year. The local residents do their best to avoid the crabs, even posting signs like this one.
Some crabs even break the tires, or like on the golf course, which is on the migrating route, during the migration, they have a special rule. So that means the animals, the crabs, belong to the game, which means if a crab pushes a ball into the hole, it's in.
But if you think this is bad, it gets even worse. Since the whole point of this migration is that it's mating season, the island is about to be introduced to 100,000 baby red crabs per female. No one quite knows what to do with the crowd of claws, including the local cat population. But if you think you'd like to witness this amazing animal affair, travel here around the holiday season. But don't be surprised if the locals seem a bit crabby.